Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create package or trip for any room and WP Hotel booking plugin in WordPress, and we are using this plugin WP Hotel booking plugin. So this is our room. So we are going to create any package for 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. So when person select 3 days in any room, then we can show that package to the customer. If they want, they can select it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our room 1. So we are using WP Hotel booking plugin. Now go to extra room. So we are using extra option feature, and then you see 5 day 4 night package. So you can add many facilities according to requirement. And then you see price. So you can add price according to requirement. Type, you can select trip and not required. If user want, then user can select package. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So by using custom code you can create any custom package according to requirement, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our custom code, and then you see LI data price 200. So we created extra room option. Now you see price 200. So we added this price in custom code. Now you see, so you can add your extra room feature price here. Initially hide the item. If person select 5 days and 4 nights, then this option display, otherwise hide. Now you see initially hide none, and then you see check-in date, checkout date. So this is our validation, and then you see calculation. Now you see show write the price item based on number of night. So we added nights 4. It's mean 5 day user select, then this condition apply. 4 nights mean 5 day, and then this display, otherwise hide. So this is our function, and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So you can modify this code according to requirement. If you want, you can add 6 day, 5 nights, 2 or 3, any number according to requirement. Now you see snippet created and saved. Now go to room page and refresh the page, and then we are going to check. Now select first 2 nights or day. Now select and then click on check. Now you don't see extra room feature we added for 200. Back to room. Now previous. Now select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we select 5 days, it's mean 4 nights, and then click on check again. Now you see 5 day 4 night package price show. If person want, person can select this package. So it's depend on user. Previous. Now select more days. Again click on check. Now you don't see any package when we select more than 5 days. So in this way you can create package in WP Hotel booking plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.